Is all that? This is big. So I hope you get as lucky as I got. Hey there, hope you're doing good, hope you're healthy. Today we're gonna try out butter chicken, cream butter chicken from McDonald. Can you see this? I don't think so. So I'm gonna bring it close. So we have two stuff. One is the sandwich, the burger, and the other one is the Nasi Lemak. So let me pull you closer. Here you can see this. Yeah, so yeah, so Nasi Lemak. We have egg, anchovies, cucumber. There's no sambal. I'm assuming there's no sambal because of the butter chicken. That's what I earlier assumed, but in their website there is sambal together with the Nasi Lemak, but we didn't get sambal here. But that's alright, I think, because we have gravy here, the butter chicken. So yeah, let me show you the other one. There you go. So move the bun. Lettuce, a piece of meat is chicken. Lettuce here, I asked for extra lettuce, that's why it's a lot. So here you go, and then the bun. Okay, that's about it. Let's try this first. Let me push you behind. Push you up. Push you. Are you okay? Stay there. Alright, so let's take a bite of this guy first. Yeah. Yeah. The sauce is not so prominent, but let's take another bite. The chicken is tasty. You get the slight creaminess, the buttery. It's there. But like I said, just try the meat on its own. Yeah. It's delicious. You get the creaminess, the buttery. Oh, sorry though. It is here. And you get that spiciness as well. It's not extremely spicy or anything like that. Like, if you, a very average delicious spiciness. But it's that. It's nice. It does taste like butter chicken. Let's try the Nasi Lemak. There you go. This chicken, I think I got lucky. It's massive. Yeah, Nasi Lemak comes with a drink. You can't get it a la carte. But the fellow over there, the burger, I got him a la carte. Okay, so I told you earlier. Okay, check this out. I need to show you this. This is a massive piece of chicken. Let me bring it close. Yeah. Is all that? This is big. So I hope you get as lucky as I got. Hey Jamie, you really can get the strong butter chicken flavor. Like, it's not the traditional butter chicken. It's more like this traditional Indian butter chicken. It's more like the Malaysian style butter chicken. It's delicious. I'll take a bite of the chicken. Oh man, my lucky day. Oh, there's meat. It's not all bone or anything like that. Oh, yeah. I have some meat. I think this is more worth it than compared with the sandwich, the chicken sandwich, because you really get the butter chicken flavor, the nicely coated on the chicken. Like, I'm not sure if there's no sambal. Oh, I forgot, because let me show you this. When I checked in the menu, I mean the website online, there's sambal there actually. Just hold on. I took a photo. So yeah. There's a sambal there, and then your butter chicken's over there. So yeah. So maybe that's just for the website. I don't know. So yeah, it's delicious. Didn't have McDonald for quite some time now, and I'm so happy that I got a big. It's all meat, I think. Let's try this. That's a crispy part. This can be. I'm not sure if your chicken's going to be this big, but I hope it is. I would just like to have this chicken. Well, Nasi Lemak. I think when it comes to Nasi Lemak, I think sambal is the best companionship for Nasi Lemak. I think you should have given the sambal. I hope they forgot mine and you'll get your sambal. Alright then, that's about it. Thanks for watching. This is our delicious curry butter chicken McDonald experience. My massive chicken. Yeah. 100%. I would just like to have the chicken on its own without the coconut rice on the side. Kind of. I think they use the original chicken for the I can't remember the disturbing me for this for this cream butter chicken sauce. I thought it'd be spicy, but it's not. So it's original chicken with your sauce. So you get the creaminess, the spiciness is very slightly subtle. I mean, if I think compare with, I think maybe it's the same. I'm just comparing with the filet there. I'm just wondering if they've used it. This is definitely original chicken. Let me check. Yeah, it is. I don't think they can see this, but okay, it's original chicken because there's not much spiciness. Okay, on chicken. But I think it'd be kind of cool as well if this was a spicy chicken, like McDonald's spicy chicken, coated with this curry butter sauce. Then I need to share a bit of my chicken with Dodo. Just a little bit. Without the sauce. Just the chicken. Say bye, Doodle. Doodle and me signing off. Alright, that will do. Yep. Alright, I forgot to mention the price. So for the burger itself, creamy chicken is called creamy butter chicken burger, 1350. And this Nasi Lemak thing, the Nasi Lemak plus one creamy butter chicken, so just a Nasi Lemak with creamy butter chicken. It says the regular is 1850. Of course, I got this from Grab, so if you're gonna get directly from the outlet, it's gonna be slightly more cheaper. I think a few ringgit cheaper, yeah. So the burger 1350 a la carte, and this, of course, you can't get Nasi Lemak a la carte. It has to come with a drink. So the Nasi Lemak with a drink, with creamy butter chicken Nasi Lemak with drink is 1850. That's about it. Sorry. Have a fabulous day. Correction, is 17 ringgit and 50 cents. Mine was 18.50 because I add the large orange McFish. So yeah, this is 1750. That guy is 30 something. Alright. 13.50. The burger is 1750, is 1750. Not 1850, 1750. Alright then, you won't be seeing me after this.